To detect burrs or defects along the sample or product edge, first acquire an image. The image is automatically stored in the folder structure and displayed in a gallery. Select the image you want to measure and activate the burr detection tool. The algorithm automatically defines the baseline and detects, counts, and measures the burrs on the acquired image. For a batch analysis on multiple images, simply select the images in the gallery and activate the burr detection tool. The software automatically processes the batch analysis of the single images. The detected burrs are color-coded. Burrs above the upper threshold are colored in red. Burrs between the lower and upper threshold are colored yellow to orange. Features below the lower threshold are not detected. Lower and upper thresholds can be readjusted according to specific requirements.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us via the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you.